Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. I hope everybody is fine. This is a worksheet. It might be helpful for you if you are teaching at college or university. So you can download this worksheet from the description section of this video. And the first thing you need to do is, like, when you are opening this, you have to press the enable contents option, and then you can write your university name or college name here and faculty name here. And I must mention one thing here, that please don't delete or add any column or row to it anywhere, because it's not going to work. There is some Visual Basic coding working in the background of these buttons, so if you want any kind of changes, you can just click this help and support button, and you can send us email and we'll do the necessary changes for you. And if you are the VBA and you can do it all by yourself, so there are no passwords, you can do these changes all by yourself. So the first thing is class setting. Just click on this button and fill all these fields. It's going to be just for the first time. Session, instructor name, class and semester, subject title, class number, faculty and department. If you want to add more students to it, just write their ID, student ID, write the student ID and his name. Press the update button, then you can see the student IDs and names, the list of student IDs and names here. Okay, let's add one more student to it, like ID number 5 for instance. And okay, press the update button, you can see this name here. Now the next button is mask detail. Just click this, and now you can write the ID here and click the show details button. You can see the student name here, his midterm marks, his final term marks and his sessional marks. Sessional marks are actually the total of his quizzes, assignments and presentations. So if I write the next student here, you can see his detail, and let's write the detail about the ID 5. This is his name or her name, and let's suppose that midterm marks are 18, final term marks are 34 and total number of assignments are 3. This sheet can actually keep the record of 6 quizzes, assignments or presentations. Okay, so I'm just keeping 3 here for now. I'm gonna mark him or her like 4 and 5 in this assignment and press the update button. Total marks are 9. If I want to add one more to it, I will write the date, write any title and give some marks to it, to the student. Press the update button. You can see that this is going to be like kind of auto sum, and this is going to show you the total marks of quizzes, assignments and presentations. So that's how you can keep the record of the students in this sheet. Now let's close this, and the next option is attendance. Press the button. If you can see these things, just close it and press it once again, it will be refreshed. So now I'm going to write the date 7/9/2022. I'm going to add this. This is going to be my second class because I've already entered the first class. Now I need to write the IDs of the student. and mark them present or mark them absent. I'm going to mark the student absent. And then for instance, like I have another student with ID 4, I'm going to mark him absent as well. And then I can press this button to mark rest of the student absent or mark rest of the students present. So I'm going to mark them present. So all of the students excluding these 2 students which I marked absent already, rest of the students are present here. Now let's click the show attendance record. Here you can see their attendance record. I hope you like this, and you can share this worksheet with your friends who are instructors in colleges or universities. Thank you.